A tip to make sprinkles in your own home with a pepper mill. So you have to empty your pepper mill.
Right.
Then you take hard candy. So this is what the sprinkles will be made of. We've got hard candy that's multicolored and of course is multi-flavored. So you put it in a Ziploc bag.
Can I hit it with a hammer?
Well, yes. In fact, that's what we're going to be doing.
Can I?
Yes,
Can I help?
absolutely, absolutely.
Okay, I don't want to hit your fingers.
Now hit it just a couple of times. All right.
That was so fun!
Now, these will go into our pepper mill.
Into the pepper mill?
Yes. And so I've already got like a small set in here.
And then you're gonna...
And yes, so these become our sprinkles. So just like so, turn it over. And you see
Oh, she's brilliant!
that there, and so you can use this.
Oh, I love that! Look at the sprinkles! It's raining candy! Yay! Good job!
Oh, nice.
So Rachel, I love your lemon squeezer.
Thank you.
But I have a great double duty tip when you're not at home and you're at your friends.
Right.
So what you do is you take the lemon and you're gonna roll it the way you've taught us to release the juices.
You press it
You
down
press
on
it
the
down,
counter.
press it down,
And
yep.
it gets the
Gets the
juices
juices
flowing.
And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut the lemon in half.
Right.
Okay, try not to get the juices on yourself. And then what you're gonna do is you're going to take the tongs and you're simply going to squeeze. There you go.
Excellent.
There you are.
And
There you go. Yes.
remember, as Doreen the Queen just did, remember to always squeeze your lemons cut side up so
Cut
the
side up.
seeds stay with the
Exactly.
lemon and don't fall into your lemonade.
Hi Rachel, it's Bobby from Liberty, New York, and I'm here to give you my double duty tip using an apple core. I love using items that I already have in different ways, and the way I use mine is to slice up different fruits and vegetables quickly and efficiently. This is how most of us use our apple core. Here's our apple. You can also use it on other fruits like a pineapple to try to get that rough core out. You get beautiful slices that are ready to go in either a fruit salad or maybe somebody's lunch. But an apple core isn't just for fruits. You can also use the apple core on an onion. Make sure you cut the flat side so it sits evenly. Push down firmly. You can also use it to slice potatoes for beautiful, even wedges. Well, Rachel, I hope you enjoyed my double duty tip using the apple core. Thanks for watching.